Hey art and craft vendors, ever wonder if your shows are actually worth it? Stop the guesswork. This tool gives you the clarity that you need to track your sales, your expenses, and your schedule all in one easy to use Google spreadsheet. Let's take a look. What I love about this dashboard is how easy it makes checking your show status and monitoring profits and expenses. Let me show you with a demo. Easily check which shows you have submitted your application, which shows are approved, denied, or on your watch list. And keep show statuses up to date when new information comes in. See the specific totals for each show. See all the totals for the month at a glance. Scroll on down to get a view of your year-to-date totals. Want a visual? Click the revenue chart at the bottom and view the graphs that make it easy to track your revenue and profit trends month and year. Let's move over to a new blank dashboard and enter in our first show. We'll start by selecting the date, double click, select your date. For this show, it'll be Saturday the 4th. It is a 2-day event. We have been approved for this, so we're gonna go ahead and select approve. The application date comes out a few months before that, so we'll just go back here a few months, put in September 1st is when these applications come available. We have a 10 by 10 booth. The show name is Demo Show. That's far away. City is long distance. All right, so our demo show cost is $500. What you need to know here is that on these calculations, all costs that we are accruing are going to be entered with a negative number. So for our show cost, we're going to have negative 500. And notice how when we enter in this show cost, our expenses over here populate. If we're traveling a far distance, we're going to have a hotel cost. So for here, we're going to have 2 nights of hotel, negative 350. And notice how our expenses again will jump up. For this show, we're going to be traveling about 400 miles round trip. So we're going to have negative 400 here. And if you notice, there was a gas cost and an auto care cost. Those calculations are both done over here in this calculations tab. Okay, this is the tab that you need to enter in your specific information about your vehicle and your business so you can get true numbers. This is your vehicle maintenance, which I believe is about 8 cents a mile. You need to determine how many miles $1 of gas will get you. Next, enter in your production cost percentage here. And if you're outside the state of Florida, enter in your local tax code here. Let's jump back over to the dashboard. This show has a jury fee, so let's plug that in. Okay, we've got all of our initial costs in, and you can see before we even start this show, we're at negative $987. Let's record some revenue. Let's slide this over. For this show on the credit card, we got $4,000, so we're gonna enter in this number as a positive number, 4,000. We made $1,000 in cash, so 1,000. And this gives us $5,000 in revenue. You'll see here your state taxes are automatically deducted, leaving you with a profit of $2,252.45. And we get that number by dividing the revenue with the total expenses. Use the notes section to jot down anything useful for next time, like parking tips or setup details. So, are you ready to streamline your show management? This calculator keeps everything organized so you can focus on growing your business. By managing all your event details in one place, you can make smarter decisions and save time. Download your free calculator now and take control of your shows. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll personally get back to you. Take care.